I'm Kristen.
And I'm Jameson. We work and live in this motorhome full time.
And we camp mostly off-grid. We're happy to take you with us. Welcome to our bus.
Yeah, it's a Gulfstream Yellowstone 8408 YSB.
It's a 40-foot diesel pusher, and if you're in the market for a motorhome, you may not find this in your search, but we hope our tour today can help you really hone in on what you're looking for and what's on your wish list. Let's go. Come on in.
Welcome to the cockpit of our bus. This is where we drive from destination to destination. Let's check out the rest of the house.
This is our main living area. It's kind of 4 rooms in one for us. Over here we have my office, which my favorite part is my big window. I'm so glad I get to look out at the beautiful places that we go all day, even when I have to be inside working. Over here is our living room. This couch is not an RV couch, but it is the smallest residential couch you can find, and it does fold down to a bed just in case we have guests. And back here is our dining room, and we have it set up to seat 2 people right now because it's usually just the 2 of us, but it does have a leaf, and we do have some extra chairs so we can sit 4 or 5 pretty uncomfortably if we have to. And over here is the kitchen. It has everything we need, and we really love having a ton of counter space for cooking together in the kitchen. We have a mid-rig bathroom, which we actually really like. It creates a barrier between my working space and Jameson's. And one of the bonuses that we got is our bathtub. And we have a separate stool room. It's the name it came with, but it is a room with just a toilet in it. And we also have a washer dryer that, so 2-in-1 does it all. And we use it, 50% of the time probably.
This is our bedroom, and I love our bedroom. I spend most of my day here. My office is right in the front. I'm able to have both computers for my work and personal going at the same time. And then we have our new edition queen size bed. We had a king size bed before where we took the armrests out and had a little cubby spaces in them to fit the king size bed, and then we just upgraded to a tuft and needle queen size, and we love it, but we also wish we had the cubbies that we got rid of. And then another upgrade that we did was our 42-inch Samsung TV from the 22-inch LCD TV that it came with.
Stay tuned for next week's episode,
where we show you some of our favorite upgrades we've made to the bus so we can live more comfortably off-grid.